All right, we've got the LifeMate sliding ID badge holder. So it's the Bohemia pattern. So it just has a nice look to it, nice vibe. Plastic, hard plastic. And so this is going to be amazing for anyone who works in some sort of field where you have some sort of badge with like maybe like your name tag type thing, like whether you're a doctor, nurse, teacher, something like that. Any field where you have some sort of badge. So the amazing thing, it's just nice, heavy duty, and it has this thing that just slides and it locks in. So I'm just gonna put a couple, if I put something with personal info in it, Amazon won't approve it, so I'm gonna put a couple credit cards just with the front facing. It holds 2, so you can actually have another card behind it. There's 2 in here, and it just sort of locks in. So it's locked in. From here, we're gonna come over here, and we are going to just connect this to that spot right there. Connected in. It's also got this buckle thing right here that you just press and it comes out like so. And it's got this PVC buckle as well. But basically, I'm gonna put this around your neck and you're good to go. So just amazing badge, amazing looking, highly recommend.